Alright, so
I took a hit from my leg.
got my nose lined up here, washed hands, and this is my jewelry. I am hoping and praying that this is gonna be... Thanks.
What?
It's my baby giving me some ice cream. Not any ice cream though, it's goat's milk ice cream. Okay, so yeah.
Hey, why didn't you say the party was
or
starting?
whatever. Huh?
I said, why didn't you say that the party was starting? I could have been clean my pencil.
Yeah, the party's starting, Har.
Ah,
So, this is a family affair. So, since I'm the nose ring queen, I'm piercing my nose again on the other side to make it equal. Okay?
Get in.
And I'm not about to wait and do this. I'm not scared or nothing like that. So, we're just going to go ahead and do the first one. I just have to make sure I line it up appropriately. Yeah. I'm just trying to make sure I line this thing up right. Okay, that's the first one. Oh, God, where's that tear? Oh, God. My nose. Thank you. Now I'm touching shit that's on the floor, so I gotta wash my hands again. Picking up the stuff that fell on the floor. So it did go all the way in flush. I do not recommend doing it that slow. It's just I couldn't really like see where I was like putting it a little bit. Obviously because I like closed my eyes just to deal with the pain. But I'm gonna go wash my hands so I don't infect nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one, and this one might be a little tricky because I'm trying not to hurt the first one I just did. Thank you. That actually makes it better. Having ice cream fed to me. Okay. Cause like I like punked out towards the end and closed my eyes. You're not supposed to do that. I closed my freaking eyes like an idiot. Now this might be difficult cause there's a big...
Shadow?
Oh God, no!
Oh, you should
like
do the back one first.
I should have did the back one first. Am I an idiot? So I have to just
tilt your head down. Can you like tilt your head down?
I might have to move it out the way.
The mirror up.
Where's the Q-tips? I was thinking
they're all
that
dirty on the floor because you said you only needed one.
I know. I thought I only needed one, like an idiot.
Oh, yeah, just go for it. I mean, I'm gonna help you put your hand in the right. Yeah, right there.
Is it in the right way?
Yeah, it's there. You're like doing it super slow. Push it through already. Can it go anymore?
I just don't know if it's...
It's in there. It's just, can you push it through already?
No, I can't because the other one's in there.
But you've already pierced and punctured.
Yeah, so I'm just...
So now you have a whole giant jewelry clip on your face.
It's okay.
You should just leave it like
Oh my God.
New style.
Clamper.
Yeah, it's called the clamper. Can you dislodge that thing from the plastic thing?
I have no idea.
How is it supposed to release?
Once it like goes in, it's just because this thing, I think, is stopping it.
Well,
did you
I
feel
don't
know.
it? Did you feel it exit?
Did I feel it exit?
Yes.
I don't know. I'm trying to push it.
Well, let me say this. You can take it out. If it goes out, remove the needle thing. How does that pop out? How did you have to put that in? Is that like a cartridge?
Oh, big nosebleed!
Now we're gonna
Pass me
have
a wet wipe. Oh, that little black thing is that's where I'm supposed to put it at?
Yeah.
Yes.
Stab it through, man. It's gonna be a stab. Because you gotta find that exit hole. But you're doing it with a needle.
With a manual needle.
You'll be alright.
It's gonna go on.
You should do it with the other hand.
Other hand?
Other hand!
The other
Shut up,
hand, I cannot see. It's not that bad because I found it.
See why I ain't pitched myself?
It's like my nose is so freaking small. Like,
why isn't it going through? Are you like
'cause I'm
gonna
trying
poke
to-
yourself? Yeah.
You're shaking. Push it through.
Just kinda-
Is it in the nostril? Is it?
Yeah,
exited?
it's in there. It just hasn't exited yet. I have to like push it down.
I thought it was done.
No, it just got like through. I could never like get it fully in there. That's why I couldn't clamp it. So it never like exited. But I can get it to exit. It just kind of hurts a little bit. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I womaned up in the bathroom and just pushed it through. And I finally got it all the way through to my nose. And it's not pretty because it has like a little bit of blood and stuff from my mistake earlier. But
Hastefulness.
yeah, my hastefulness. So that's what it's looking like. It looks really good. It's lined up appropriately. That's really what my main concern was.
So in a situation like this, what would happen
In a
if
situation,
it was to go wrong? So that women who would choose to follow your hastefulness, if you're going to upload this,
you said go wrong. Like,
what are you going to go through that you have to prevent? Because of your mock job.
This is what I would do. If you're doing a double, like how I am on one nostril and your nose is like super small like mine, don't buy this little clampy thingy. I don't know if they can see me.
Can you hold it
I
to
don't
the
know,
lens?
but I'm...
Bring it back to your face because it has to be in focus.
Don't buy this little clampy thingy. If you're doing...
Yeah, right there.
If you're doing a double on the same nostril. Now, I know some people may call me stupid, like if it was obvious and stuff, but I wasn't thinking about that. I thought that if I get the smallest stud, I could do it. But just for placement purposes, and if you have a really small nose, go ahead and get the needle with the scissor clamp instead, because then you get better precision. So, if you're gonna do it and you're doing two, don't use the clamp. Use the actual needle, like if you were doing your septum. Don't use the clamp because it's not enough room, especially if your nose is super small. If you got a very big nose, then yeah, this would probably, you probably go for these, you know. But I remember when I went to the piercing shop at first, they did say that my nostril was like really small. When I had got my second one, I went to the piercing shop with my second one on my other side. You guys can see that. And they were commented on how small my nose was. That I wanted to do two on one nose. It was like, okay, it's kind of small. But yeah. Alright, so any other stuff we're going to talk about is when I don't look distressed.